Hi everyone, Jessica Soa here from the University of Denver. I'm here briefly to tell you about the amazing resource that NASPA, the Network of Schools of Public Policy Affairs and Administration, offers, which is Public Cases. Public Cases is an amazing repository of lots of different teaching cases. I use them in all my classes, and they have ones covering all areas of government and nonprofits in the US and internationally. So I want to tell you about two of my favorites. One of my favorites is called Reliability and Autonomy in Nonprofit Finance. It's an e-study, so it contains videos, readings, and artifacts, and it helps students understand the different sources of funding available to nonprofits and how those different sources of funds vary in terms of the strings attached and how reliable they are, and really covering why diverse funding sources are important and what that means for building a sustainable nonprofit. My second favorite one is also a nonprofit case. It's called Calculating True Program Costs. And again, this is another e-study that helps nonprofit students think about the funding and resources coming into nonprofits and how important it is to understand the real cost of services, what this means for fundraising, grant writing, contracting with government, and really to build well-funded and sustainable services over time. And this case is also really great for helping students understand the difference between program costs and the indirect costs that keep a nonprofit running. Now, as NASPA members, you can now access public cases through a single sign-on using your NASPA credentials. No separate account is needed for this.